Well, we got the first coat in. We shot the 415 with a 1.4 millimeter tip. Came out pretty good. I like it. I like it. Dash, not too shabby. Still some issues up here, but that'll probably be covered mainly by the dash. But up here, beautiful, 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 gorgeous. Looks like a brand new car. Little bits. All this was done. Got the box. Box did something strange. This was stripped down to the metal, but it's still reacting. There's something strange going on with this metal on the dash. Haven't been able to figure out. But that's what we got. We're waiting for this to dry, and then we'll put the top coat on.